Ew, stop.
Are you videotaping? Ew. Oh, I look like such a porn star now.
What are you doing?
Hello. Should I do it more?
Where'd you go? Get down on it. SpongeBob cups.
Yeah, bitch. Stop.
Come here. Come here.
What?
Not you.
Oh, skeet, motherfucker. Hello, darling.
Hey, sexy, come here.
Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Going on Facebook?
I don't have a Facebook. What are you talking about?
Alright.
Everyone I know is my house. Talk to the hand.
What are you doing?
Talk to the left because you ain't right.
Zoo Tycoon.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Yeah. But you know what's very inappropriate? This game can be very inappropriate, you know?
Very what?
Inappropriate. I mean, like, all of a sudden you see at the top of the screen it says, the zookeeper cannot reach the ungulate poop. And then all of a sudden it also says, the zookeeper can't reach the big cat poop. And like, whoa. Didn't see that coming. And then all of a sudden you see at the top, you see...
Stop picking your nose on camera.
Okay, you see, you see all of a sudden like, let's see. You see.
What do you see?
Common peafowl is pregnant.
Who?
Common peafowl.
Oh.
Oh, Bengal tiger. And then all of a sudden you see common peafowl has laid an egg. And then all of a sudden you see common peafowl has gave birth. But that, you know what's the cool part about that part?
What?
All of a sudden there's a light that beams down from the air and it shows you right where it's coming alive.
Wow.
It's creepy though.
Oh, shit. Who did that?
Avatar! What's an avatar?
You don't know what an avatar is?
No.
What the hell is taking so long?
What is
Lord.
an avatar? What's an avatar?
Bitch.
Oh, don't do Don't.
What's an avatar?
Say that one more time.
What is an avatar?